Okay, go for it.
Hi, my name is Roy with Gen 13 Electric. So what we're going to be installing for you is what we call a meter main. It's a 200 amp service. You'll have your meter out here. It won't be lower down here. You'll have all your circuit breakers up here, and the fuse panel inside your house will just become a junction box. You'll have a similar pipe like this that goes down, connects to there. That's where all the wires will be. And you'll have a little bit bigger than this EMT right here that goes up, and that'll attach to Idaho Power. Other than that, everything will be brand new, all in new conduit, new wire, 200 amp service, and I think everything will be up to code. We'll just add one ground wire and everything should be good. So if you have any questions, give me a call.
And we're putting it here because that's kind of the only option we have with the electrical
Other
inspector.
than that, you can go all the way around your house when you have to. But if you do it over there, you have to cut out some of your trees and everything. Kind of becomes a big hassle. And then have a bigger pipe go from the side of your house under your balcony, core drilled into your house to kind of get it all taken care of. So this is kind of the best spot you can put it. And
Alrighty.
it's acceptable through the city of Twin Falls and everything else.
Perfect.